and we are almost the same height. So don't even bring that word.
How can you say you're almost height of embarrassment? What's the meaning of that? How can you say you're almost? Please.
No, hold on. You're about 6'2" or 6'3".
Mm-hmm.
And I'm 6 feet. I'm 5'11", 6 feet.
You know, why they round them up? Which one is 5'11", 6 feet? Why they round up height?
But it depends on how I stand and the shoe I wear. I'm almost as tall as you are. Case closed. So what else are you scared of?
I'm scared of height. I'm scared of anything that moves that is not a human being. Anything that moves that has a mind of its own. Anything that you can't control. No, funny enough, I'm not scared of demons. I'm not scared of demons. But you see, dog, rat, cat. Nah.
But sorry. 18, under 18, leave this live video. Sorry. When you said you are scared of anything that moves and has a mind of its own. Moving on.
So it's not okay.
Moving on. Celebrity crush.
I did Dami Lola Dekpite. Oh my, sweet.
Oh what?
Oh sweet. She's a sweet girl. I said anything. I said anything that has that moves on his own. Someone is asking me whether I'm scared of snake.
So let's just leave it like that. So wait, question. Let's say me and you marry now, and the children see snake in the backyard, and they say, "Go and call your daddy." Who would they call?
Why would they go and call their daddy?
Are you not the end of the family?
What? Who said so? Please, I'm a feminist. Please, I'm a feminist.
On to the next. See, Olu.
Yeah, baby.
Somebody has been shooting shots in the comment section since. I think you should take note.
Who's that?
Don't worry. Keep going. On to the next one. Are you there?
Listen.
Single, taking for granted, taking like or married.
I'm like Whiskey's last song.
What's his last song?
I'm single. I'm a single guy.
Are you single, or you are single but somebody is dating you, or you are single?
Abi, who is there? I'm single.
Me like this now. There are plenty of people that are dating me. You know, now when that boyfriend with that.
You know you are a distributor.
On to the next.
They're like globe per globe.
Last one. Everywhere you go, Abi. Sorry, what was
No, I'm just joking. I'm joking. You're a faithful girl.
Somebody said, is there somebody that will be angry at your answer?
No, Abba. I said my village people.
Okay, it is well.
Are you there? What's it, Parel?
I am here. What's happening?
You'll be raised.
Sorry. Mo back camera.
Okay, so sorry about everything.
What's your most embarrassing moment?
Are you sure I can share that?
Share. This moment of
there was a day. It's a long story.
It's a bad day that would drink water.
No. It's a long story. Are you sure you want to hear it?
Cut it short. Summarize.
I went somewhere And when I was coming back on Third Milan Bridge, I got hooked. Something I ate in the morning, I don't know what it is. I got hooked. It's very descriptive. Huh? In the middle of Third, and there was traffic. And the person that was driving me, you know what made it worse? I wanted to hold it till I got to the house. You know what made it worse? The person now looked at map inside the car and said, 2 hours. that was the straw that broke my back. To cut the long story short, God took control. Let's continue.
What did you do?
Don't worry. I just pity Loma.
Oh no. It is well with your soul.
So that was very embarrassing, Sha.
No, yeah.
It was my most embarrassing.
It would have been if I was in your shoes. I don't pray to be in your shoes in this life. Because it has happened to me before. Just that fine girls don't poop. On to the next.
You guys don't poop?
No, I don't poop. I don't poop.
Wait, you said fine girls don't poop?
Yes.
That means you poop.
You beg me.
Do I live in Ojodu? What's the problem?
It is well in Jesus' name.
Amen.
In fact, this relationship is over.
It's a done deal. Don't worry, you can't run away from me. I'm yours and you are mine. I am yours and you are mine.
Have you ever thought of singing? Should we release already?
I should sing for you.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, pay me the money you are owing.
What? I swear, for the last time, I am done. I can't even down. I'm done with it. Olu, I swear to God, it is over. That's all I can take. I'm already having headache. So I'm going to use a painkiller. Do you understand? But yes,
okay,
thank you very, very much for coming on the live video with us. Thank you. I have not laughed this much in a while. Like, I have a headache already. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you very much. We are looking forward to having you again. I personally, I won't have you like that now. Why are you doing?
I'm looking forward to having you.
I am not having you nothing.
I'm looking forward to having you.
You are not my spec. I like them short and ugly. Sorry. So yes, the last one we'll do for today. Go through the comment section and pick one person to win our money.
One person that will win the money.
Yes, it can be.
I think Ayonfe helped me out with one game. Ayonfe? Yeah. She helped me out in one game, so I guess everyone helps those who she's a helper.
How did everyone enter this one?
She's a helper.
My helper, oh, my helper.
Thanks for helping me out. Ayonfe. She's your friend, Abby?
I don't know.
Okay.
It's like she's crushing on you.
But I'm sure Ramsey know her.
You're sure what? You're sure Ramsey? What? What's wrong with you?
Your friend is winning your money.
It is well in Jesus' name. Thank you very much for coming on. Thank you. If this was a physical interview, we would have given you a bag that had juice and biscuits and all these things. But as it be things,
you can send it to my house now, or you can bring it.
You love this, baby. I'll bring it to your house myself. What do you
Okay,
think?
baby. I'll be respecting you.
You
Mama,
Olu,
respect
bye-bye.
you.
Olu, if we don't end this call, this conversation, we'll continue for the next 2 hours. But later I finish. So bye, boo boo. Thanks for coming. Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. Everybody say bye-bye. That was Olu. That was Olu. That was Olu. And it was a very beautiful one. I had so much fun. I've not laughed none when. So yes, thank you very, very much. We'll still be bringing more people to your screen. We'll keep doing this. We're doing this every weekend. So thank you very much for everybody that came. We look forward to doing this again. Till we meet again, please follow Plug TV Live. You can go on YouTube too and subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more videos from me. Thank you very much for coming. We look forward to doing this again.